If you want a simple SPX option strategy that you can trade right away without spending hours learning complicated setups, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through one of the easiest starter strategies from alphacrunching.com, and it's perfect if you're just getting started with our tools, so let's go ahead and jump right in. This strategy is only traded on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and has been running a 74% win rate with a decently smooth P&L curve the past couple of years. Each week, this strategy is posted on the Alpha Crunching Trade Ideas tab and is known as the SPX TTR 1 DTE and 3 DTE PCS or Put Credit Spread. This end-of-day strategy only takes a few minutes per day to trade and leans on Alpha Crunching's TTR or tomorrow's triumph rate as a trade filter. And it's pretty simple. If the TTR is bullish for the week for that particular day, the trade idea will show up before the trading week begins, so you know ahead of time if this trade is valid for the week or not. Prior to entry, this strategy checks that the SPX is above its 20-day simple moving average first. If it's trading below the 20 SMA at the time of entry, the trade is simply skipped. This put credit spread trade sells an at-the-money spread expiring the next trading day and looks for a credit of about $2 for a 5-wide spread. Once filled, the spread is held to expiration. This sets the risk reward at 3-2, which has helped deliver a smooth P&L curve over the past couple of years, given the 74% win rate. For more information on this strategy, check the details below.